How to connect Ledger Wallet to 0x to make swaps and provide liquidity. What sets 0x apart from other decentralized exchanges is its hybrid off-chain relay and on-chain settlement infrastructure. This is mainly because its infrastructure is the base on which several decentralized exchanges are built. The 0x protocol enables users to access thousands of tokens and hundreds of exchanges. In this guide, we shall learn how to connect the Ledger wallet to 0x to make swaps and provide liquidity. Here are the steps to follow. Step 1. If you're a new user of the Ledger hardware wallet, download and install the Ledger Live app. You can do this at https://www.ledger.com/ledger-live. If you've been using Ledger, just be sure that your firmware is up to date. The app's notification routinely updates you when there is a new version. Step 2. Open the Ledger Live app and click on the My Ledger icon at the base of the menu. Step 3. Ledger Live will ask you to connect and unlock your device. Plug your Ledger hardware device into the computer and unlock it using your PIN. Step 4. Ledger Live will ask you to allow Ledger Manager on your device. Grant the approval by clicking the two buttons on your Ledger device simultaneously. Step 5. Ledger Live will open the app catalog. Install the Ethereum app by clicking the Install button adjacent to Ethereum. This will install the Ethereum app on your Ledger device. You can easily see the installation progress on Ledger Live as well as on your Ledger Nano hardware device. After installation, the installation button will show that Ethereum has been installed. Step 6. Click on the Accounts button on the Ledger Live menu. This will open a page where you can add new accounts. Step 7. Click the Add Account button. This will open a pop-up window. Step 8. In the pop-up window, click on Choose Crypto Asset to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 9. From the drop-down menu, locate the 0x project, ZRX, on the Ethereum app and click it. Step 10. Click the Receive button. Step 11. The next field will show account to credit as Ethereum 1, click the Continue button. Step 12. Ledger Live will ask you to connect and unlock your device once again. Use your PIN to unlock your device after connecting it to the computer using the USB connection feature. Make sure that your hardware device is not connected to the computer at this point, since it could interfere with the next process. Step 13. Open the Ethereum app on your device at this point. You can do this by scrolling through your Ledger Live app until you see the Ethereum app, then clicking the two buttons on your hardware wallet simultaneously to see application is ready. Step 14. Ledger Live will display an address. You should check that the displayed address is the same as the address shown on your Ledger Nano hardware wallet. If confirmed, scroll using one of the buttons until you see Approve, then click the two buttons simultaneously to approve the receiving address for your 0x account on Ledger. Step 15. Your address has been shared successfully, click Done. Step 16. To start providing liquidity or swapping using your Ledger wallet, connect your wallet to any of the decentralized platforms that use the 0x protocol. These include Matcha, TokenLawn, MetaMask, Augur, DeFi Saver, Radar Relay, and more.